Yung bata niya. Baka makadisgrasya. Kabil mo lang dadyo ko. Ano yan? Ano yun? Chef. This classes na po ay let me take a look.
In class, so I may please settle down. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teachers.
So before we start our lesson, let us sing for quick guidance and wisdom of the Lord. Prayer for the rest of us, our prayer leader. So you will not be thirsty. This four assembly. Is Cyrus absent? Yes. Okay, so as we go on with our discussion today, I want you all to be reminded of our class rules. Can you read class? 1, 2, 3, go.
Come to us on time. Raise your hand to speak. Respect each other. Listen to your teacher. Keep your classroom clean.
Makatuturo kayo sa akin. Repeat class, the class rules.
Come to class on time. Raise your hand to speak. Respect each other. Listen to your teacher. Keep your classroom clean.
Okay, so I hope that you will follow and internalize these rules. So before Cassandra. Christina Cassandra.
C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared.
Okay, very good. How about the other one? Anyone who can give another formula? Okay, so why are you late? Okay, so next time, kindly go to school early. Okay, please, kindly give one.
A equals the square root of C
C squared minus B squared. And the last one is, anyone, okay? Kelly.
B equals the square root of C squared plus B squared.
Okay, so that was the formula that we derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, very good. Next. Let's take a look at this example. So what do you call the missing side? Missing side? Okay, that's correct. It is the hypotenuse or the longest side. And then, what formula to be used to solve the unknown?
Equals the square root of A squared plus B squared.
Okay, very good. C equals to the square root of A squared plus B squared. Now, anyone from the class who wants to substitute the value of the given and try to solve on the board? Okay, Krishna? Can you bring out your notebook and please copy the example? So Krista substituted the value of A and B. So now let's try to solve for the unknown side. So C is equal to the square root of what is the value? What is 5 squared?
25.
Please take note that in kapag may square siya, it is multiplied by itself. Okay, so what is 5 squared, Kelly?
25.
Okay, very good. That is 25. What is 12 squared?
144.
Okay, very good. That is 144. Then let's add the 25 and the 144.
169.
Okay, very good. That is 169. So now, we will be in order to para matanda yung square root, we need to find the factors of 169. So what do you think are the factors of 169? Okay, that's correct. 13 times 13. Ano pa? Okay, very good. 169 times 1. Ano pa ba? Ano pa? Okay, so wala na. As you can see, meron na siyang perfect square. So ang sagot natin is okay. Very good. That is 13. Nawatan niyo, class?
Yeah.
Okay. Nawatan niyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now, let's have an activity called Think and Share. You will work by threes. Since naka-by threes na kayo sa inyong row, Pwede nyo na lang yung mga group nyo. So this is the direction. Kindly read class.
Find the length of the unknown side given the length of the other sides of a right triangle. For the solutions, please follow the formula. List all the given.
Kindly repeat class. List all the given in 1, 2, 3, go.
List all the given. What is the unknown side? What formula to use? Solve.
Okay. So this is your activity. You will work by 3. Kelly, dito ko. Oh, wow. You can list open your notebook, then please tell your answer to the correct, to your group mates.
Yes,
Okay, so list all the given. What is the unknown side? Letter C. What formula to be used? And D. Solve. Okay, so are you done? Okay, so are you done, class? Class, pagtingin. Okay, anyone who wants to answer on the board? Kunin nyo yung may pinakamalaking pwede. Okay, anyone who wants to answer on the board? Okay, Denise.
Okay lang balikan mo. Kasi ikaw
We need to identify which A and B. List all the Okay, so Denise, can you explain it to your Okay, can you keep quiet class and listen to Denise?
So the formula that I use C equals the square root of A squared plus B squared. And then I know C equals the square root of B squared plus A squared. And I get the square root of A squared and I plus and the answer is positive negative 10.
Okay, very good, Denise. So, do you agree, class?
Yes.
Okay, but the correct answer. But the correct answer. Which group? Okay, what did you say? Bakit sinabi nyo baliktad siya? As you can see, the shorter leg is 6, which is your A. And the longer leg is 8 inches. And the longest leg is B. Ano? So, tama lang yung pag-identify niya ng given. Naintindihan niyo ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Saan pa kayo baliktad? Ikaw nga.
If in the formula, kung baliktad yung ginawa nyo dito, since siya pa rin naman yung answer, but you need to identify the value of A and B. Paano na kung yung A ang ano natin?
Hindi. Ikaw maano kayo pa kayo pag-i-able yung mga baliktad.
Yung value, diba?
Yes.
Or yung
Pag-i- 6 into 8
Kaya may value na. So, it can be, pwede yung baliktarin since they are both the legs. See, and it is in addition. Okay, so, naintindihan nyo na ba yung example natin? Isa pa? Okay, isa pa.
Ma'am.
Individual naman to. Okay, so ganun pa rin yung direction. Can we keep quiet, class? Okay, so yun pa rin yung direction natin and ito yung gagawin. Ganun pa rin yung ito pa rin. List all the given. What is the unknown side? What formula to be used? Then solve. Okay, so answer it individually on your notebook. Why, Vincent, you are not answering? Same process I list on the given. What formula to be used? Identify what is the unknown side and solve. Are you done? Sino natapos? Are you done? Kapag malaki yung number, kukunin niyo muna yung mga factors. Tapos isi ako na sila. Okay, last 1 minute. Are you done, class? Sabay lang. Sa likod, tapos na ba? Okay, sige. Meron na daw sasagot sa board. Tapos na?
Yes, ma'am.
Tatlo daw sila, volunteer. So, si Jen Ray, si Janet, tsaka si Joel. Okay, can you go to the board and Yes. I-explain din nila kung paano nila nakuha yung sagot. Tandaan niyo na yung value ng B is palaging mas malaki sa A. So, then Ray, can you explain what you Okay, can you keep quiet class and listen to then Ray? Sino nakakuha ng missing na side? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Do you agree, class? Yes. Okay. Yes. So that is correct. Very good, then Ray. Okay. Okay, who got the correct answer? Okay, very good. So most of you got the correct answer. Okay, so now to summarize our lesson, what is the formula that we use? What is the formula that we use in solving the hypotenuse? Okay, very good. So it is the C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So now, what is the Pythagorean theorem or formula? Ito yung ito galing yung mga formula na ginagamit natin. Okay, very good. So this is the Pythagorean. So, enumerate the three formula derived from the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. Anyone? Can enumerate the three? Any other hand? The three formula that we derive from the Pythagorean theorem. Any other hand? Any other hand? Okay, Christina.
equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. A equals the square root of c squared minus b squared. B equals the square root of c squared minus a squared.
Okay, that's correct. Very good. So now, why do we need to learn Pythagorean theorem? Anyone have insights? Why do we need to learn Pythagorean theorem? Okay, then Ray. Okay, very good. So in real life situations, what do you think? Why do we need to learn Pythagorean theorem? In real life situations, what do you think? Paano nyo ma-apply ang pagkuha ng hypotenuse sa real life situation? Kapag ba kumukuha kayo ng mangga sa punong ito, ano ang ginagamit nyo? Kapag ba inaakyat nyo ang isang ladder papunta sa taas, kung baga gagamit kayo ng ladder papunta sa puno ng mangga, it is an example of representation in getting hypotenuse. Ano sa tingin mo? Very good. So, for example, ito yung For example, ito yung tree, di ba? Tapos madami siyang bunga. Tapos ito yung ground. So, in order for you to get the fruit, you should use a ladder. So, kung merong height yung puno, ano kaya yung measurement na kailangan nyo para sa ladder? Okay, ganun yun. So, it is applicable in real life situations. Okay? So now, for your short quiz, can you bring out 1/14 of bond paper and write on so answer is given. So same process. So kindly, last, can you read the direction?
Solve the length of the missing side. Show your complete solution and they will read correctly. For the solution, please follow the format. A. It's all the given. Why? What is the unknown side? C. What formula to use? D.
In 3 minutes? Yes. 4 and 3. Kapag magsasagot kayo, huwag niyo pakalimutan yung mga label. Yung mga centimeter, inches, ganyan. Four and 3. Sam? Yes, are you done? One last time. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Sino ba hindi tapos?
Ang laki.
Okay, anyone? Are you done? Okay, so kindly exchange paper clockwise. In one,
Naman.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, anyone who wants to answer on the board? Okay,
Ay, kiss mo.
Okay, do you agree, class?
Yes.
Who got the correct answer? Okay, very good. So most of you got the correct answer. So one for each sa formula, sa given, then sa answer. Tapos yung unknown side pa bali 4 points. Ano ba ito? Unknown side. Yes, 4 points. This represents as the angels, not the signs. Okay, so kindly return the paper to the owner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pass your papers forward. Kailangan ba kapag nagbakas ng papel maingay? Okay, so for your assignment, kindly list all the possible factors of the given radical. Kindly copy your assignment. Lista nyo yung mga possible na factors ng number 1, 2, and 3. Kasi sa susunod, na i-discuss natin is mas malaking numbers na. So for tomorrow, we will be going to learn about on how to solve for A and B. So are you done practicing? Okay, so are you done class? Okay, so do you have any questions regarding the lesson natin for today? Okay, so if none, then let's call it a day. Bye, class.
Okay, so kindly rate your attitude from 1 to 5. 5 is the highest. Saan yung pinakita yung attitude doon? What number? What number? 2. Ha? 2. 4. 2. 8. 2. Ano ba? Nandun ako sa likod. Okay. And Alibaba, di ba? You are now inside the classroom. Bakit nakabag ka? I always told you. Nakabag ka na. Alam ba nagyan na tayo nakabag, ha? Minsan ka, ha? And then, okay, so every now and then I will assign a 1 at the back to list down all kung sino yung mga maingay kasi makikita lahat sa likod. Okay? So sa likod, princess. Every now and then, pag may practice teacher yung magtuturo yung will list down all. And then, dito, Christina. And then, Sharina. Okay? Kasi nakikita sa likod. Mag-respeto kayo. Okay? Oh, very good. You are actively participating back. Okay. Pag-go, go. Ano? Huwag naman sobrahan. And always, tayo na kita tutulaw yung attitude and then, nasa harapan yung discussion na kailangan pa nga makita itong final geometry word. Okay? Kasi nasa harap yung nagtuturo, wala sa side. Bakit siya ba yung nagtuturo? And you are not a girl, kaya absolutely kastawin. Nadabakit mo. Nadabakit mo. Next time, ha?
Kinuha ang salita ng gawin.
Kasi dyan, sabi tayo man.
Ma'am, sino?
Kasi sa kasi yun ang bugaw.
Hindi ma'am mo ba, Roy?
Ang dami sila sa bugaw.
Ma'am na batem. Ay. May video ko din kayo.
Ay, sila.